with the Homestead. Hi, my name is Shannon, and welcome to my homestead. I'm sitting out here this morning on my front porch in my rocking chair, just been doing my devotion and talking to God. And then I thought, what kind of plans could I do today? It's a cloudy day, and it's just it's hot, but it's cloudy and it's calling for a lot of rain. So my main thing is to get my potatoes in. So today we are going to work on potatoes. You're going to see us harvest the potatoes, dig the potatoes, how we do. We have something new this year that we're doing. My husband talked to his friend, and he talked about this potato plow, and you're going to see us do that. So we're going to do the potato plow this year instead of digging them up manually like we always do. But then we're going to put them on our racks. So let's get up. Let's get to moving. Come on, let's go to work. Let's go dig some potatoes.
Table, put taters on.
We're doing something that I don't like to do, but we got to cover up the carport because we don't want the sun to hit the potatoes because that'll make them green. So I am wanting a good, dry, dark place for them to cure. And because I don't have a big enough space in the house for them, we are makeshifting. So we are keeping them dark. And this is a very affordable way to do it. The neighbors are going to love it. Gutter.
See.
Watch the gutter. Okay. So we wrapped it around. The sun comes. This is this where the sun rises. So that's going to be the hottest part. So we covered that completely. The sun goes in the back of the house. So we don't have to worry about the front as much, but we are covering it. But we do have an opening. Watch the car. We will have an opening so where you come in. And I can check on the potatoes. We're going to have like our reds, our Quebec, our white, and then our gold. We're going to put a fan on the porch and have it blowing where we have air circulating through here because it's 115,000 degrees in here. But we're going to have a fan blowing to keep the air circulating in here. So, but this is going to be a dry place because when you cure your potatoes, you don't want no light whatsoever. You have to have a dark spot. I think it was last year, the year before, I done them on my porch. Thought, you know, it's in the shade, and they all turned green, and all my harvest, everything was just ruined, which was really sad because I thought, well, it's dark enough. And then we last year we done them in my husband's wood shop, but he's got several orders that he's got to put out, some swings and some doors and stuff like that, so he's got to use his wood shop, so I can't put them in there because he's going to be working in there. So so this is our next best thing. So we are using what we have on the Homestead. These are tables that we had, 2x4s that we had. The thing we bought was the tarp, and I think the tarp was $25. We got it. It was $25, and it's a 12 by 24 because we thought that would cover it all. That would be big enough, and so this whole thing we just spent $25. And this tarp will be reusable, so I'll use it somewhere else on the homestead. Whew. What's your thoughts, Mother? My thoughts is God is so good. God is so good. We're going to have enough potatoes. I was going to do a fall session, but I don't even know if I need to because God has been so good. 10 tables, wire mesh, and we have them laid out where they can get air under and over. You want to make sure they're in a single layer where they can get air and over, but my goodness, look at some of these potatoes. Look at them. God's been so good. We was pulling them up, and you know, it's just we was pulling them up, and we were digging as a family. We were laughing and having a good time, and throwing mud, dirt clods at one another, and it was just it was hot, it was tiring, but it was so much fun. We had a lot of fun, and I think we made memories last night, don't you? So, but anyway, so this is our harvest. We forgot to weigh them. I meant to weigh them, so we're going to weigh them when we get them cured. We're going to leave them out here for about a week to 2 weeks. We're going to turn the fan on. I can't turn the fan on because you can't hear me, but we're going to turn the fan on where the fan will blow on them, and we'll keep them out here for about a week to 2 weeks. No sun, no rain. We don't want them wet. We don't want them in the sun. So anyway, and then I will weigh them then, and then I'll post a little video to let you know how much we have in weight of potatoes. So we have the red, the gold, and the white right here. So alright, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to here, follow me, hit that notification bell, follow me, and go to my website, mylittlecliffyhomestead.com. Go to my website, and we have all kinds of courses, recipes, blog, email lists. We have it all on the website. So head on over to mylittlecliffyhomestead.com. See me there. Alright, bye friends.